Take massive action. As Tony says, success is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics. You need to face your money, your retirement portfolio, and take massive responsibility. Let me ask you something, and pay attention. What if your retirement portfolio isn't struggling because of the market, but because of you? Yes, you. Your mind, your beliefs, your decisions. On one hand, you've got forces you cannot touch, the economy, market chaos. On the other hand, you've got something far more powerful, your mindset, your behavior, your choices. And yet, what do most people do? They freak out about the economy and ignore what they can actually control. They panic, they freeze, they wait. And while they wait, thousands of dollars quietly disappear. Stop blaming what you can't control. Start controlling what you can. Yes, the economy is rough. Yes, inflation is real. Yes, the headlines scream fear. But your reaction, that is 100% yours. Picture this. Two people, same economy, same inflation, same paycheck. One says, "I'll wait. Things aren't safe yet." The other says, "I'll act, no matter what. I control what I can control." Same news, different action, different results. 30 years later, one regrets every hesitation. The other enjoys freedom. The difference? Mindset, not luck. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a mindset problem. Your subconscious is a slave to old beliefs. Money is risky. I'm not ready. Now isn't the time. These beliefs feel safe, but safe doesn't make you wealthy. Every hesitation, every delay, every "I'll start later," it costs you thousands. You cannot control the market, you cannot control inflation, but you can control how much you invest, how consistently and how boldly you act. Stop focusing on what you can't touch, start mastering what you can. Because wealth is not built by predicting the economy. Wealth is built by mastering yourself. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your identity. If your identity says, "I'm cautious," you hesitate. If it says, "I'm bad with money," you underinvest, and the market looks like the enemy, but it's not. Change the identity and everything shifts. Instead of "the economy ruined my retirement portfolio," say, "How can I make better decisions inside this economy? I'll start when things improve. I decide to act now." Decision creates momentum. Momentum destroys fear. Confidence dominates hesitation. Ask yourself, what are you focusing on? The economy you can't control, or the beliefs that are quietly destroying your portfolio? Blaming the economy feels safe. Taking control feels terrifying. But only one path builds real wealth. When you master your mindset, you stop being a victim. You stop waiting for the perfect moment. You stop losing thousands. And you don't just protect your retirement portfolio, you give it the chance to explode. But here's the thing. Don't get complacent. Your portfolio isn't set it and forget it. You need to stay financially educated, informed, and advised. When you keep learning, seeking guidance, and staying up to date with your investments, you create the psychological mindset to make confident, decisive moves. Every choice you make today, every contribution, adjustment, or reallocation counts toward the future you want for yourself and your family. Seek the best financial advice money can buy. Invest in your knowledge, your team, and your decisions. Your future self and your family will thank you for the financial choices you make today and onward. Look for some financial advisor choices below in the description. Change the focus, change the belief, and you don't just change your retirement, you change your life. So, go Tony Robbins on your retirement portfolio and take massive action, month after month, year after year, and stay on track. You want more videos like this coming your way? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.